welcome back to the final part of this video. This one is going to be extremely quick. So we've already set up our form, we've already styled it in our CSS sheet, and then we've already you should have already attached your email here to see send that email, get that verification token, and apply it to your web page. So after you do that, all you have to do is just enter some information here, and I'm going to enter a password here, and then I'm going to say, hi YouTubers, this is a test email, like, share, and subscribe. So I'm just going to push send just to show you how it works. Once I push send, it's going to let me know that the email sent over. It should let me know that the email sent over, and then it has a recaptcha here for us, and then it says the form was submitted successfully to the original site. So this is one that I sent a few minutes ago, and then this is one that I just sent. And what it says is someone just submitted a form on, and this would actually be your website domain name once you get that set up. And as you see, it takes the username that we input, takes the email that we input, and then the password and the comments as well. So that's all for setting up your web page for or your form, your web page's form for accepting email and taking sensitive user data securely. As you see, it does just blatantly puts it out there inside of the email itself. But what's good is that this limits the possibility or the chance for someone to do some type of SQL injection or cross-site scripting attack or place some type of malicious malware in here with some type of coding elements that they can use by inputting the data inside of here. So as we restrict this information and we process it the proper way with our form, we're able to prevent some of these attacks. Of course, in your own time, dive deeper into some of your secure coding practices and take your time with understanding it. So see you guys in the next video.